global manufacturing electronics expert, forging the key to the digital world, unlocking infinite possibilities. GlobalMex, global manufacturing electronics expert, the rising intelligent manufacturing star of the Greater Bay Area. We specialize in the development, production, and sales of computer peripherals, including keyboards and mice. With a 25,000 square meter facility, over 700 employees, and annual production capacity of 3.6 million keyboards and 1.8 million mice. Innovation drives us. With over 60 experts, our full process R&D team ensures precision at every stage. From product development to assembly, we cover molding, injection, SMT, CNC machining, and integration, maintaining strict quality control for the highest standards. Every detail here is a key to precision manufacturing. The MES system monitors real-time production. The WMS system ensures full traceability of core materials, and the ERP system optimizes resource allocation and tracking for efficient management. In our laboratories, cutting-edge equipment simulates extreme usage conditions, subjecting keyboards to millions of keystroke tests to define the ultimate standard of durability. With over 300 automated production and testing machines, we guarantee high product consistency and quality. Certified by ISO and BSCI, we uphold both quality and corporate social responsibility, ensuring seamless global supply. We collaborate with numerous clients, growing together in success. Customer satisfaction is our driving force. Choosing GlobalMex means choosing quality, innovation, and a future of shared success. GlobalMex makes everything extra.